Morning students, good morning. After understanding the various rules for the journal entries, debit credit rules of the journal entries, now I am going to explain some examples related to the journal entries. So first statement is Company A was incorporated on January 1st, 2020 with an initial capital of 5,000 shares of common stock having $20 per value. Means capital invested in Company A is 5,000 share and the value of one share is $20. Means the total amount of capital is 5,000 multiplied by 20, which is $1 lakh. So in this case the cash account will be debited with $1 lakh and the common stock will be credited with the same amount, which is $1 lakh. Because the company is incorporated and 5,000 shares has been invested in the company, so in the mode of cash company is receiving 5,000 multiplied by $20, which is $1 lakh. That's why company's cash account is increasing, and so company's cash account is debited, and in the same amount common stock account is credited. Okay. Next entry is an amount of $36,000 was paid as an advance rent of 3 months. In this entries, company has paid $36,000 as an advance rate for 3 months, right? So in this case, again our cash is going, company's cash is going, means company's cash is decreasing, so cash account will be credited and rent account, because it's an expense, so as per the third rule all the expense is debited. That's why prepaid rent account will be debited with $36,000 and cash account, as it's decreasing, so as per rule number 2 cash account will be credited for $36,000. On January 3rd, third statement is paid $60,000 cash on the purchase of equipments which costing $80,000. Understand the things that the cost of equipment which has been purchased is $80,000, in which $60,000 has been paid by cash. The remaining amount which is $20,000 was recognized as 1 year note payable with an interest rate of 9%. Means company has purchased an equipment of total amount which is $80,000, in which company has paid $60,000 in the cash, and rest amount which is $20,000 company will pay in 1 year, and company also will pay after 1 year 9% interest, right? So in this case we can see that equipment is coming towards the company, that's why equipments will be increasing, so equipments accounts will be debited with the $80,000, and as we have paid cash $60,000, so in this case cash account of company will be decreases, so again as per rule number 2 cash account will be credited for 60,000, and notes payable, you can also here make an account like payable accounts, and in this case notes payable accounts will be credited for rupees 20,000. So we can see here that the total costing of equipment was 80,000, in which company has paid through cash 60,000 and on credit 20,000. So these were the three examples of a company which incorporated at the starting, three examples of journal entries in which we have applied the golden rules of accounting. So go through it. The rest of statement we will learn in next class. Thank you.